Do you wish to make a delicious cake?
Nah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I thought this was Mariobros1045. Not some blue ball looking faggot who ruins everything and everyone's day with his dickishness. Do you wish to make a delicious cake? Jesus Christ.
Heck yes!
Alright, before we start, are you lactose intolerant or allergic to eggs, wheat, sugar, chocolate, or fish-shaped crackers?
None.
Good, are you ready? You sure? Positive? But before you do anything, wash your filthy ass hands, or else you will contaminate your food, or get a disease. Be sure to get under those fingernails. And don't forget about the knuckles. And make sure those palms are squeaky clean. Alright, let's see those hands. Now that you've cleaned your hands, you must prepare your recipe by gathering all of your ingredients listed. Got all that? It's time to prepare your mixing bowl. Wrong analogy. Then add 8 medium eggs, 5.5 ounces of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Now stir until it's a liquid. I'm gonna go hire taste testers. I'll be right back. I'm back. How's the mix?
Stupid!
That's incomprehensible. A complicated, concentrated mixture of items from the local consumer spending output, unfortunately, lack the correct human attributes to be labeled mentally or physically impaired. Dumbass. On a piece of parchment paper, sift 3.5 ounces of all-purpose flour and 2 ounces of cocoa powder. Slowly add to whipped eggs and mix with the paddle attachment for about 2 minutes before adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter. When you're done mixing, add your fish-shaped crackers. We're using graham-flavored crackers, as this is a sweet dish. Proceed to fold into the mixture. Now it's time to use the oven. Placing your mixture into 2 oiled cake pans, place it in the oven at 350 degrees Celsius. But since this is an animation, and we're on a tight schedule, crank that bitch all the way up to 900 degrees, for like a minute or so. But be careful, as you may end up burning yourself. Remove the cake from the oven, cut it in half, and you should end up with 4 layers. Now take your frosting of choice and glue the layers together. It's time for a drink break. Nice. We're almost done. Take out 2 chocolate bars and make them into shavings.
Chocolate?
What the shit? Get out of here. Cover the cake with the shavings thoroughly. Make sure you try to cover all of it. Place 8 cherries on each slice. And finally add egg. Haha. You finally did something correct for once. Congratulations. Now serve your cake to your friends and see what they think.
It's perfect.
It's a good fucking food.
You have made a Black Forest cake. How do you feel?
I am a god!
That's great. Now you can unleash your knowledge onto the world and beyond, making hundreds upon thousands of people happy with your culinary cooking skills that many would consider a blessed art. By the way, when is MAA? Get back here. Grab him.